चलिए, okay, fine. On the face of it, okay. Now, see, this is a story about two people, Derry and Mr. Lamb. Okay, I'll just do the introduction of the chapter first, right, beta?
Okay, ma'am.
शुरू करें. मैं पहले समरी बता देती हूँ इसमें. So, on the face of it, now ये एक play है जिसमें, sorry, an old man is there. An old man. हाँ बेटा, good morning. An old man is there और एक small boy है, और this small boy's name is Derry or Derek, we can say. And this boy, you know, he enters a garden. Now that garden, it belonged to old man. Old man का नाम है Mr. Lamb. Okay, Mr. Lamb नाम है उनका. So he enters, he climbs the wall. This small child, you know, this little boy, he climbs the wall and he enters the garden. Garden में enter होता है. Now he enters very quietly, you know, उसको ये लगता है कि the garden is empty, so he enters very quietly. But he was startled, he was surprised to see that an old man was sitting there, and the name of the old man is Mr. Lamb. He was sitting there. So as he enters and he walks very, hesitates he, and he walks very attentively in the garden, कि भाई किसी को कोई साउंड नहीं आया, कुछ नहीं आया. But he was startled by the voice of this old man. जो old man है वो उसको कहता है कि you just take care of the apples. Actually the apples had fallen down on the ground, so he just, this old man asked him to take care of the apples, है ना, कि apples का ध्यान रखना. अब जैसे ही वो बोलता है तो ये एकदम स्टार्टल हो जाता है. And he says, who is there, है ना, what is it, who is there, and so then Mr. Lamb, he introduces himself, अपने आप को introduce करते हैं और कहते हैं कि all these are the crab apples that have been fallen down. Okay, crab apples होते हैं जो सार apples होते हैं ना, खट्टे apples छोटे छोटे, okay, उनको कहते हैं crab apples. तो कहते हैं they have fallen down and they are lying in the long grass, so you do not step those apples, okay? या तो तुम ट्रिप हो जाओगे, लड़खड़ा जाओगे, you might fall. Am I audible, beta? Can you listen to me?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
ठीक है. वो poor internet connection बता रहा था. I thought my voice is reaching you people or not. अब क्या होता है ना, what happens, बेटा, इसमें क्या होता है कि Mr. Lamb उसको कहता है that you don't need to be scared, you don't need to be afraid, and you better stay here. तो वो कहता है, now this little boy, he starts feeling guilty as he entered quietly in the garden, and that also he climbed the wall and he came on the garden, in the garden. तो उसको तो Mr. Lamb तो काफी convince करते, no need to be scared, no need to be afraid, ठीक है, इट्स ऑल राइट बोले, है ना. तो वो क्लैरिफाई करता है, वो गिल्टी कॉन्शियस था, तो कहता है, यू नो, आई थॉट इट वाज एन एम्प्टी हाउस. तो वो कहता है, ऑफ कोर्स माय हाउस इज एम्प्टी. अब गार्डन में हाउस भी होता है, तो ही सेज, ऑफ कोर्स माय हाउस इज एम्प्टी. व्हाई? बिकॉज आई एम सिटिंग हियर. इट मींस ही वाज लिविंग ऑल अलोन. मिस्टर लैम्प अकेले ही रहते थे, एंड द हाउस दैट इन व्हिच ही लिव्ड, that was empty at that time. Okay, right then it was empty. Why? Because Mr. Lamb, who was the only person living in that house, he was sitting outside. तो बोलते हाँ बिल्कुल house तो empty है until I go back. लेकिन I'm not going to go into my house. Why? Because today is a beautiful day and the day not to spend indoors. Okay, ऐसा दिन नहीं है कि indoors हम spend करें. Okay, now then this Jerry, you know what I said, he was feeling very much guilty, and again he says, now I have to go, I'll go. Mr. Lamb कहते, not on my account, not because of me you should go, because I never stop anybody from coming to my garden, okay, from entering my garden. The gate is always open and everybody is welcome, so even you are welcome. But the only thing is, why did you climb the wall and enter the garden? Okay, ठीक है. और कहते हैं हर कोई वेलकम है, तो भाई तुम भी वेलकम हो. The gate is always open. तो जैसे ही कहते हैं you climb the garden wall, तो उसको बच्चे को गुस्सा आता है. कहते हैं of course you were watching me climbing the garden. बोलते हैं of course, but the gate is open. You should have come through the gate. Okay. और मैं यहाँ बैठा हूँ because I like sitting. तो वो अब डेरी और सफाई दे रहा है, यू नो, वो कहता है कि आई हैव नॉट कम हियर टू स्टील द एप्पल्स. Mr. Lamb कहते no, no, why will you steal? You know, young lads, young boys, they steal. They scrum the apples. आप इतने young थोड़ी ना, quite grown up. And then Daddy says, बस ऐसे ही mood था to come into the garden. I came. Now what happens, beta? Slowly and slowly, both of them are involved in the conversation. अब इसमें क्या होता है, डेरी जो है ही इज हैविंग हाफ बर्न्ट फेस, समझ में आ गया, आधा फेस उसका बर्न्ट होता है, एंड मिस्टर लैम्प इज हैविंग एन आर्टिफिशियल लेग ऑफ टिन, समझ गए, आर्टिफिशियल लेग है उनका, तो दोनों ही के अंदर कोई ना कोई डेफिशिएंसी है ना. नाउ दिस डेरी, यू नो, दिस लिटिल बॉय, he doesn't mix with the people, okay, and he just tries to remain aloof or lonely. And the main reason he says that people, you know, they are very afraid of me, they are very scared of me, because when they see my burnt face, okay, जब मेरा burnt face देखते हैं ना, half burnt face, तो वो डर जाते हैं मेरे से, they are afraid of me, right? तो ये सब बातें बोलता है. And what Mr. Lamb, he finds that he has lot of negativity for himself, okay, for his life and for the people. He does not have any friends. He doesn't want to get mixed with any one of them, with anybody, you know. So when the conversation begins, and now both of them are in conversation, Mr. Lamb, he tries to remove all the negativity from Derry's mind or heart that he was having, है ना, जो भी negativity थी, and he wanted that he should develop a positive attitude towards life and towards people. तो अब जब बातें करते हैं तो उसी बीच कई बड़े hot arguments भी इन लोगों में होते हैं. Okay,
Ma'am, you are not audible.
I'm not audible. Why?
Now it is clear.
Huh?
Your voice is breaking.
To everyone, I'm not audible.
No, ma'am, your voice is clear. You are audible to me, ma'am.
My voice is clear, na?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
तो उसके कोई नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम हो गई होगी, रहना.
Yes, ma'am.
नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम हो गई होगी बेटा, कई बार कनेक्शन इंटरप्ट हो जाता है ना, डिसेबल होता है.
Ma'am, now it is clear your voice.
हाँ, so it might be some network. So beta, they both start the conversation with each other, and so many things they discuss, and finally Mr. Lamb, you know, he was successful in developing positivity in this little boy. Okay, finally क्या होता है, hot arguments, ये boy जो है बड़ा डिफाइंड और बड़ा वो होता है, बोल्ड बहुत होता है, एंड फटाफट ही इज वेरी आउटस्पोकन, जो भी वो मिस्टर लैम बोलते हैं जवाब देता है, उनसे उटपटांग सी बातें करता है. बट एनी हाउ मिस्टर लैम जो है फाइनली ही डेवलप्स अ पॉजिटिविटी in this little boy, and now he wants to be with other people, he wants to mix in with other people, he wants to make friends, okay, he wants to talk to everybody. और लास्ट में मिस्टर लैम कहते हैं, now it's time for me to pluck the crab apples as I have to make jelly, and September is the best month, okay, to make jelly toffees या जो भी वो बनाते हैं, तो उसके लिए कहते हैं now I'm going to pluck the crab apples. तो डेरी कहता है even I'll come, but first I'll go to my mother because it has been a long time since I'm out, so I'll just go there, I'll inform my mother, and then I'll return and help you in plucking the flowers. Flowers नहीं, sorry, apples. तो कुछ ऐसा hot argument होता है, तो डेरी प्रॉमिस करता है कि no, है ना, I promise I'll come back. Mr. Lamb कहते हैं you'll never come back. Actually, whosoever comes in the garden, उसके बाद वो आता ही नहीं है. तो कहते हैं like other people, even you will not be back. लेकिन वो promise करता है, he goes to his mother, takes permission, mother refuse कर देती है. Okay, again and again he asks, लेकिन मना कर देती है. Finally he declares कि नहीं, I am going. Okay, and mother cannot stop him. But when he comes there, you know, meanwhile, what happened? Mr. Lamb, he started plucking the एप्पल्स। अब वो खड़े होते हैं, वो जो लैडर होती है, यू हैव सीन द लैडर ना, जो बनी हुई होती है लकड़ी वगैरह से, a thin ladder that can be moved here and there. ओके, सीढ़ियां नहीं जो गार्डन वगैरह
Yes,
पे
ma'am.
कहीं भी, हाँ, मूवेबल मोबाइल जो, ठीक है। तो वो ही हैड क्लाइंब एज ही हैड अ टिन लेग, है ना, तो उनका कहीं बैलेंस नहीं बनता है, एंड ही जस्ट फेल ऑफ ऑन द ग्रास और ऑन द ग्राउंड. Okay, he falls, and when Derry enters, there was pin drop silence. He sees that Mr. Lamp is there on the ground. He had already fallen. तो उनको उठाने की कोशिश करता है, लेकिन वो हिलते नहीं. ओके, तो एंड में क्या होता है, डेरी बहुत जोर जोर से रोने लगता है. क्यों रोने लगता है? फाइनली ही स्टार्ट्स क्राइंग. व्हाई? बिकॉज मिस्टर लैम्प जो है वो ऑलरेडी मर चुके हैं. ही वाज डेड. लेकिन डेड तो हो जाते हैं, he dies, but he develops a positive attitude in Derry, a positive attitude towards life, towards this world, and towards people. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, so now 2 characters are there in this play, and you will become, okay, 2 of the students, you can become those 2 characters, each one, and you'll read it and I'll explain it. Got it?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
So should we do it today or tomorrow?
Ma'am, as you say.
As you wish, Peter. If right now we can do a little bit, isn't it? So who will become
Yes,
Mr.
Yes,
Lamb?
ma'am.
Who will be Mr. Lamb? Mr. Lamb कौन बनेगा? Who will read the dialogues of Mr. Lamb? And who will be Derry? Nobody? 12th
Ma'am,
time?
may I?
Ma'am, may I?
Anushka, most welcome. At least you came forward. Anushka and
Yes, ma'am.
Vijay Lakshmi.
Ma'am, may I?
Vijay Lakshmi, you want to become?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you can choose the characters, both of you. Who will be Mr. Lamb?
Ma'am, I.
Okay, one of you
Ma'am,
become Mr. Anushka.
Ma'am, I will be Mr. Lamb.
Okay, Vijay Lakshmi.
And I'll be the
Daddy
daddy.
बन जाओ बेटा आप. ठीक है, दोनों के ही बराबर डायलॉग्स हैं, don't worry. Should we begin?
Okay, ma'am. Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
क्या है on the face of it? एक play है featuring an old man and a small boy meeting in the farmer's garden. Old man strikes up a friendship with a boy who is very withdrawn and defines what is the bond that unites the two. Okay, scene 1 में है Mr. Lamb's garden is there, और कभी कभी occasional sound आ जाती है bird song की, यानी chirping of the birds, और tree leaves rustling. Rustling क्या होता है? With the wind when they move ना, तो rustling sound करती है. Derry's footsteps are heard as he walks slowly and tentatively through the long garden. He pauses, then walks again. और सिर्फ डेरी के फुटस्टेप्स सुनाई दे रहे हैं, जो हेजिटेटेड भी है, ठीक है, और बहुत धीरे धीरे गार्डन में आगे बढ़ रहा है, पॉज करता है, एंड देन वॉक्स अगेन. देन ही कम्स राउंड अ स्क्रीन ऑफ बुशेस, फिर बुशेस के आसपास आता है, और जैसे ही मिस्टर लैम्प स्पीक्स टू हिम, ही इज क्लोज एट हैंड एंड डेरी स्टार्टेड. मिस्टर लैम्प वाज वेरी क्लोज टू हिम एंड डेरी, यू नो, ही गेट्स स्टार्टेड, ही गेट्स सरप्राइज्ड. मिस्टर लैम्प, रीड करो जल्दी.
Mind the apples.
Mind the apples, okay, with the expressions. Yes.
Yes.
Where is Derry gone? Vijay Lakshmi?
What? Who's there?
क्या हुआ?
Ma'am, I'm not getting my voice. Ma'am, are you not getting my voice?
But your voice is not clear, beta.
Let me give my voice.
Anyone?
Ma'am, now it's audible.
Boys, they do not know reading. Boys को reading नहीं
Ma'am,
आती.
now it's audible.
No बेटा, actually तुम्हारी आवाज clear नहीं आ रही. Okay, fine. Still it is not clear, no? Lot of disturbances there. अब 3-4 minutes ही बचे according to my this thing. या तो tomorrow we'll begin with the play. ठीक है, कल dialogue शुरू करते हैं.
Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
चलो ठीक है बेटा. God bless.